हम शुरू कर रहे हैं राइड सब लोग। Riding with the big boys, man. Guys, hear them roar! Hi guys and welcome to my channel, and right now it's 5 a.m. in the morning, and today it's gonna be first time I'm gonna crank up my bike after lockdown. So I've not ridden my bike for 40 days. I don't even know whether it's gonna start or not. So today is again a special ride. It's a short ride till HASSAN. I'm from Bangalore. Bangalore to HASSAN is about 150 kilometers, but I'm gonna be riding with Superbikers, having super bikes such as GSX 1000, BMWs, and all the fancy big boys toys. So I don't know whether my KTM RC 390 will, be able to keep up with them, but you know what the hell, I just want to go, man. But it's been 40 days. I've been following social distancing, and in Bangalore recently the lockdown has been removed since 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and it's been more than 2 weeks. This lockdown is over. So guys, it's right now 5 a.m. and the meetup is at 6. So I want to have some tea. As you know, during lockdown I am not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna eat anything out, so I'm gonna have tea. So let's make some tea. Guys, I like to have my tea very strong. Oh, it's very, very strong. And I made this gobi ke paranthe. So let me just finish this and then I'll get up and then we'll start from here, right? Let's go. So guys, the time right now it's 5:35. So the meetup point is about 29 minutes away, and this is my bike. It was a last moment plan, so I could not wash it, clean it, but I have sprayed my bike with some lube. Now let's see whether my bike will open or not. So far so good. Let me just crank it up. Oh, it starts. So guys, so far so good. You can see there is some light, so that means the sun is rising. I have to reach the meetup point by 6. It is 5:40 now. I'll warm this bike up for around 3 minutes. 2 minutes is fine, and then I'll start. So guys, it's about 3 minutes and the coolant temperature is showing 4 bars, so I can start. So let's start a bike. Oh man, I'm riding a bike after 40 days, man. It's been so long. So what's up guys, we are on our way we are basically going to HASSAN, and the meetup point is at Nalmangla toll, which is about 20 kilometers from my place. And today we are gonna be seeing some super bikes on my channel. So one of my friend has recently bought Daytona. I have done couple of rides. In fact, I've done Ooty ride with him. So you can check that ride. It was amazing, epic ride, series of unfortunate events and stuff. So you guys can check it out on the iLink up there. It was amazing ride. So he had a KTM RC390 before, and he has upgraded now to Daytona. Wow, what an upgrade, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna be meeting him also after very long. Let's see. But it's a beautiful morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning. So I'll see you guys at the meetup point. So guys, that's the toll, and very good morning to you. And just after this toll, there is a, if you can see, there are a lot of super bikes over there. And look at these super bikes. BMW ZX 1000 R1. Let me just call my friend. देखो आ गया अपना सौरभ. कहाँ है तेरी डुगाटी? हाँ? So guys, we are starting a ride. That's Aprilia. That's Saurav with his 675 triple. Harley is here. Riding with the big boys, man. Guys, hear them roar! Look at them go, man. I can't keep up. Mostly because my tires are not good. Mid-cellars have gone off, and these guys are going rampant, man. They're just passing me like it's nothing, and I'm on full boil here. That sounds amazing. Them go, man. Sound is deafening. We have all kind of liter class bikes, and even Ducati Panigale 956. We have Triumph. We have Kawasaki. Look at that, man. Woo! There's some crazy shit right there. A lot of traffic here.
You know what? The worst part is my bike, you know, in front of these bikes is like non-existent because there is no sound. And these guys are, and nobody can hear me coming. That's the problem. These guys are going as, I don't know, they're just warming up and I'm right now at my full boil. I don't know whether I'm gonna be able to keep up. Drop here and disappear. Now we have to take a left from here. We have to take this HASSAN Banglore route. R3. Now we are entering HASSAN highway and these guys gonna go crazy, man. I'm not even gonna keep up. I know that for sure. This is the HASSAN route. I know now they are serious. By the sound of their engine, I know they are very serious right now. HASSAN highway. It's gonna pass me like butter. Look at Saurav going. What has happened here, man? And he passed me like I'm nothing. They are just going away, man. I am at full boil here. I'm at 162. And these guys are like, whoa. I don't even. They are just going. And this, wow. So guys, I have completely lost them. It's been 5 minutes and my average speed is saying 100 kilometers per hour. Look at that. My average is 100 kilometers per hour, and that too it is when I started from my home. So I think I was traveling at 150, 160 in this highway, but I am still not able to keep up with them. So yeah, KTM RC 390 can keep up with these big bikes only when the rider is amazing and and you need balls of steel, man. I don't want to risk it, frankly. They are long gone, guys, and I don't want to risk it. This is embarrassing because I've been riding so far with below 400cc bikes. Going with liter class bikes is it's not a good idea for a KTM RC 390 owner, man, if you want to enjoy your ride. Oh man, what have I done? But anyways, I'm enjoying. We all will have the same destination. Maybe they will reach faster than me, but I'm also gonna reach there. Right now I'm at 150. This makes me feel like I want to upgrade. Look at him. But I'm liking it. Look at him go, man. This HASSAN highway is amazing, like full of course. And it's red, guys. I'm not gonna risk it. Let him go all Marquez on the road. I am not gonna go. Look at him going Marquez. I am not gonna go. I'm just gonna do my counter steering and that's it. So guys, this is really uncut version how it feels riding with Superbikes if you have KTM RC390. And really KTM RC390 right now feels very underpowered, especially these guys are veterans. They know their bike, so it's even more difficult. But on a bright side, look at the view, guys. It's green and the air is so fresh. And it rained last night, so it's chilly as well. Not too cold, but just the right amount. Oh man, this is awesome. I mean, after 40 days, I'm actually going out and in the open and opening my bike also. I thought KTM RC390 is too powerful, but today this feels like Activa in front of those. Interceptor 650. Look at this, guys, man, how open it is, and I'm riding at 150 right now. This is where KTM RC390 doesn't feel powerful. I have opened up full throttle, it is 160 and yet so guys, my average is 112 kilometers per hour in 36 minutes. Average 112 kilometers per hour. I've done 91 kilometers so far. Brilliant, guys.
So guys, you're here so far and that means you really like my video. I sincerely thank you guys for watching this video so far. I want you guys to be part of this video. The way you can do it is commenting down below. Whether it's bad, good, whether you send me some love or whether you send me some hate. I respect all of you. And of course, if you like my video, hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell because the next video is gonna be even more amazing. So guys, that's all for this video now. I'm gonna see you guys next time.